My intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
What's up, Glamazons? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, thank you for joining us. My name is Natalie and this is my channel, Music to Makeup. So today's video is going to be my monthly giveaway. I have a huge box here full of goodies. So yeah, if you're interested in seeing what the prizes are and how you can enter, then keep on watching. And if you do like this video, please let me know by giving a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. So you're gonna need to if you want to enter the giveaway. So I'm just gonna go over some of the more important rules, but everything, all the details and rules will be in the description box below. But it is US only. Unfortunately, international shipping is too much for me to pay. Hopefully one day I will be able to do that, but right now it is US only. You must be 18 years older or have your parents' permission. You must be subscribed to my channel. You must leave a comment down below and let me know which one of my other videos is your favorite video. And I'm doing that because when I pick a winner, I do use a random generator, but I also pay attention to people who have commented on my other videos and who aren't just showing up for a giveaway video, commenting on this video, and that's it. I like you guys, the ones that like continue to support me, like you're my family, and I want the giveaway winner to be part of that family. So I don't think it's fair to the people who do watch my content consistently to lose a giveaway prize to someone who is only watching this video just to win, if that makes any sense. But yes, so like I said, everything else will be, oh, you also must follow me on Instagram, which is at @NatRoseMusicToMakeup, and tag one of your friends in any one of my pictures. Alright, so now let's get into the good stuff, the prizes. Got a lot of good stuff. Alright, first I'm going to start, I have some sheet masks here, and we have a avocado nourishing mask. This is a SEABURY brightening mask, and this is a calming mask. We have this activating serum by a brand I cannot pronounce. We have this Wander Beauty clear brow gel. Oh, let me stick on the theme of brows. So this is a TRESTIQUE mini brow pencil in Americano, and this is actually a really good brow pencil. Okay, I have this Elizabeth Mott Thank Me Later eyeshadow primer, ARICELLA liquid eyeliner. This is NANETTE LEPORE body lotion. I have this Pure 4-in-1 color correcting primer, this MOLY moisture boost cooling eye cream, TULA skincare glow and get it cooling and brightening eye balm, and I have been using this. I really love this. But now we have this HYDRA Glow sleep serum. We have this ERNO LASZLO, the famous black soap Sea Mud Deep Cleansing Bar. This TULA Skincare Protect and Glow Daily Sunscreen Gel Broad Spectrum. So, oh, it goes on clear and gives you a gorgeous glow. Okay. I also have this Kylie Skin foaming face wash. Now, I'm not the biggest fan of Kylie Kardashian, but I have been using this face wash and I actually really do like it. So then we have this Audiography 2-pack lip pencil. It has two different lip pencils in here. A more nude and then a more like wine burgundy. We have this Multi-X Repair Cream, Pixie Rose Oil Blend, Nourishing Face Oil, this Ciate London Marbled Metals Metallic Glitter Eyeshadow in Entwine. I actually have this as well, and these are like some of my favorite cream eyeshadows. Like, they are so blinding. It's a little messy, but it is gorgeous. Okay, we have this Ciate London The Editor palette, which is a really gorgeous palette, nice and colorful. Color Swatch Dry Makeup Brush Cleaner. Then we have this Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder in Supernova. And we have this Morphe and Manny MUA Glam Palette. So it has eyeshadows plus some highlighters. And you guys know it wouldn't be a giveaway of mine without including my handmade soap and makeup brush cleaner. So I'm including two. We have this one in Cupcake, and this one is in Daisy Chain. It's actually like a recreation of Marc Jacobs Daisy perfume, and it smells just like it. So if you're not familiar with my soap slash brush cleaner, this can be used as a regular soap to clean your face, your hands, your body, whatever, but it is also the best thing I've ever used to clean makeup brushes. So yeah, those are the prizes for this month's giveaway. And yeah, like I said, all the rules will be listed down below. I will be announcing the winner, and I'm going to do it for a month again, and the exact date will be down below. I love you guys so much, and I really appreciate all the support you have continued to give to me, and it's honestly what keeps me going. So I love you guys. I hope you enjoy this giveaway, and good luck.